Hello guys, welcome to another video on forex trading strategies. If you are conversant with my videos, then you have a bit knowledge or whole knowledge of how you can trade boom and crash, the volatilities, and make some money for yourself. So we are going to head into my setup right now. I'm going to explain ways that you can make $100 daily weight. Okay, so if you are practicing the method, you should be able to make nothing less than $100 daily trading the boom and crash. If you are pretty new to boom and crash and you want to make money from it as well, the best advice I can give to you is go and undergo a training. Okay, enroll yourself for a training. If trainings out there are not affordable, then you can learn some things off the internet yourself. Okay, you can watch my videos, watch couple other tutorials, and take good knowledge from it. That will actually help you to become a better trader. Okay, I want you to know that it takes time for you to become a better version of yourself. Okay, so let's head into our setup right now. And if you are very frequent here on forex trading strategies, you should understand this setup very well. Okay, this is one of my very best indicators out there. Okay, so I use this setup right here to trade the boom and crash. Okay, I love using it for boom and crash a lot. I've not been trying it with volatility, so I don't know if it's that awesome with volatility, but for boom and crash, I can actually trust this to a very great extent. Now, one of the mistakes people make is they think a setup like this is free. Okay, it is not free. You have to get it from somewhere, somehow. For me, I buy them, so it is not free. That is the first mistake, because many people come to my inbox and they thought it's free, but that is no problem. But the second mistake, which is the most vital and most dangerous one, is people think by using this kind of setup there's 100% assurance they are going to win every of their trade. No, that is definitely not true. If other traders out there are telling you you are going to win all of your trade simply by having this setup, then I will tell you that they are lying to you. Okay, so let me go ahead and dog this out and explain some stuff to us here. So for example, right now you will see that you notice a kind of burst signal right here. Okay, you will notice an arrow signal right here. You notice this chart, okay, this flow chart right here. So how are you going to combine this together and you are going to trade successfully to make the $100? First off, I would like you to know I'm trading the boom 1000 right here. So you would note, or you should know, that every successive candle downward is a good trend for us. Okay, so in the boom market we really target the downtrend. Okay, this is about 27 bars. We target the downtrend. That is how we make our profit from the boom market. Okay, and I'm using the 5-minute time frame. Okay, 5-minute time frame. Basically it takes 5 minutes for each of this candle right here to form. Okay, 5 minutes for each of this candle right here to form. If you are going to use this setup to trade, this indicator right here, if you are going to use it to trade, the first thing you must put into consideration is your arrow. Okay, because you will note that the arrow comes out before the dot signal. Okay, so just that the dot signal is the verification. Okay, you will see the arrow right here and you will see the signal follows. You see the arrow, then you see the dot signal. You see arrow, dot signal. So in most cases, like 90%, the arrow comes out before the dot signal. So the arrow is the first thing we are going to look out for. For example, if you see the red arrow, it shows that the market is going on a downtrend. Okay, so it went on downtrend to this point. Then you see the blue arrow, then the market spiked up there with a candle. Then we see the red arrow that keep going then until the blue arrow it spikes up. So whenever you see the red arrow, that shows a buying signal. Okay, no, that shows a sell signal. And if you are trading boom and crash, then that is a kind of good news for you. You can go ahead and start selling the boom and make some profit. Okay, that being said, you need to be careful of this red dot as well. Make sure the red dot also comes out to verify the direction of the market. So when you combine these two together, you'll be able to make a good analysis before entering the market. That is one. The second thing is the flow chart down here. Okay, I want to keep this video very short, but the flow chart works against the up, okay, the color riots. For example, whenever you see red, that is a downtrend, but whenever you see red on the flow chart, that is an uptrend, okay. So if you can measure from here to here, you can see all of this. If you check it on the downside, you can see red, but when you check it on the upside, you can see color blue, okay. So color red on the downtrend, on the downside, which was the flow chart, shows an uptrend, while color green shows a downtrend. So from this point right here to this point right here, you can see that is a huge downtrend, okay. So if you are going to use this flow chart to trade now, what you need to watch out for is to check whenever the color move from color red to this hash right here, okay. You can see a little hash here. Whenever it moves to this hash right here, that is like a confirmation for you. Then whenever it starts showing green bars, okay, green bars, then you can enter the market. At this point that it shows this dark blue, dark green, you can stay away from the market, okay, because you are not sure of what phase the market is going to stay next, okay, it's going to take next. Then you wait until it confirms and start showing the next green, bright green candles before you enter the market. Now this kind of method works for almost everybody. First off, this method or setup or indicator or strategy cannot be used on your mobile phone, okay. No mobile phone out there can use setup like this to trade, okay. You can't get it anywhere. These are custom made indicators and it has no room to be installed on phone. That's the first thing. The second thing, this can work for actually everybody, but the rate at which you are going to make your money is going to differ. That is according to your capital, okay. So if your capital is $10, don't expect to take it to $100 in a day. That is totally impossible. Of course, it has happened to many people, but that is just like a fluke or a kind of sheer luck, because it's never going to happen again. Whenever they try to repeat that success story, it's not going to go the same way they plan it, okay. So you guys must be very careful when you are trading this. Plan your trade very well. Choose a sizable capital, choose a sizable lot size for your capital, so you can trade efficiently without worrying, okay. For example, if you're in the market and probably you're not taking too much notice and this kind of spike happen, okay, this spike is like maybe like 3 candles or so, like 15 minutes candle, this spike right here, like 15 minutes candle, are you still going to be able to remain in the market? That is the first question you should ask yourself, okay. Those are the risks that you try to post on your account whenever you are trying to make outrageous or a very kind of ridiculous return or gain in a single day from trading, okay. Trading is a long time thing. You have to be very patient and you have to move at your own pace. If your capital is $1,000 or $500, do not check the results of the person trading with $1 million, okay. When you start comparing those type of metrics, it makes you overtrade, and at the end of the day, it's not going to work out for you. So you must be very careful. If you have interest in this indicator setup right here, you can come to my YouTube and scroll up and you say you can contact me on WhatsApp by clicking this WhatsApp button. You can contact me on Quora, and also you can contact me here on Gmail, whichever option. Also, if you check the description section of this video, you will see my contact right there and you can hit me up. I hope you are trading and staying safe and making some capital. Thank you guys, and bye for now.